So Andy, what we got going on today?
We're putting on the Vance Hines Scrambler exhaust.
Oh, the little street twin.
Yep.
Gonna have a high mount exhaust. This thing's gonna be dope.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna look excellent. So now I think we found we already need some extra components here. We're gonna have to put a little belly pan on there, something to cover up the bottom and make it more aesthetically pleasing. But it's going to the Scrambler format, so I think that'll look good anyway, having a little more fast guard action down there.
That's right.
All right, well, let's keep this thing moving. Yeah. Alright, and now our first sound clip of our 2017 Triumph Street Twin featuring the Scrambler exhaust system that Andy just set up for us in service. So let's see what this bad boy sounds like. Oh, I hear it. That looks good. Sounds amazing. So Andy, you got your first little test drive with a street twin with a Vance Hines Scrambler high mount pipe on it. How's that make you feel? Woo! Yeah. I think we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of sump guard action. This looks so good. Sounds even better.